Now, what steps you have taken in respect of pending litigations?
About this case, sir?
Pending litigation overall. Have you undertaken review in your office?
We constantly review the...
Show me the document that you have undertaken review of all pending cases, irrespective of court matters or administrative side.
At present, I don't have that, sir.
Huh?
At present, I don't have that, sir.
All right, you produce tomorrow. On what date you have undertaken review of your office administration?
I constantly do it, sir.
Huh?
I constantly do
Doing it.
Sir,
What all orally? Do this. Matter is pending since 2014. What action has been taken?
The Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the state, Your Lordship. The last occasion, Lordship, a directed consolidation has been directed to appear before with all the documents, Your Lordship. The Lordship kindly see before this order, Lordship, in 2018, Your Lordship. This case is dismissed for non-prosecution.
Yes, have you taken a decision?
Lordship,
Has he taken a decision? Yes, sir. Who is that? But you are a director consolidation.
sir, I am director in charge of the consolidation directorates.
Yeah, recently you have assumed the charge. You don't know anything.
I assume charge in the March.
Correct. That is the. I am saying your version. When did you assume the charge?
In March, sir.
March.
March 2022.
Now, what steps you have taken in respect of pending litigations?
About this case, sir?
Pending litigation overall. Have you undertaken review in your office?
We constantly review the...
Show me the document that you have undertaken review of all pending cases, irrespective of court matters or administrative side.
At present, I don't have that, sir.
Huh?
At present, I don't have that, sir.
All right, you produce tomorrow.
As you wish, sir.
Huh? On what date you have undertaken review of your office administration?
I constantly do it, sir.
Huh?
I constantly
Doing it.
Sir,
What all orally? Do this. Matter is pending since 2014. What action has been taken?
sir, the last order of the Commissioner of Land Reforms Department, the appeal was dismissed and he was given a chance to file again if he wished to.
What is the date of dismissal of appeal? There is no, where is the question of appeal? It is his representation demanding certain salary and increment.
That appeal was dismissed on 25/8/04, sir.
25/8/2004.
2004. Sir,
No, sir, we are concerned with the in a 2014 matter.
nothing has been filed by the petitioner, sir.
On 20th December 2012, he has submitted representation. What happened to that?
It was dismissed in 2004 itself, sir.
Sir, December 2012 it has filed. In 2004, how can you dismiss?
Nothing has been filed on 2012, sir.
Huh?
As we see the file, nothing has been filed, sir. There was nothing, no representation filed in 2012.
Then where is your affidavit, counter affidavit? Counter affidavit.
The counter affidavit,
When did you file?
it was filed in 2014, sir.
2014.
14.
In which paragraph you have stated that you are not in receipt of representation?
I stated for 12, Lordship, that is not 5.
Use mic, sir.
The Lordship, I stated in para 12 of my counter affidavit.
Para?
12. The petitioner is directed to file the fresh appeal along with the.
No, sir. What is the court asking you? Here, according to the records, he stated submitted representation on 20th December 2012. That has not been considered. Now you are saying that your office is not in receipt of such representation. Where have you pleaded in the counter affidavit?
As per the records available, sir, he has not filed, I mean, we are not in the receipt of any representation.
Why you are not mentioned in your counter affidavit?
That was filed in 2014, sir. It is.
Sir, all right, sir. In 2014, are you not required to indicate that your office has not in receipt of representation? How orally is permitted now after these many years?
There is no any representation in the REIT application.
Sir, have you stated in your counter affidavit how many times you want me to repeat? I have to repeat like a parrot?
Para 14.
Yes, take down. In the instant petition, petitioner has prayed for the following relief.
It's mentioned in para 14 of the counter affidavit, sir. Appeal in person है वही तो है ना। आपको बोलना है।
Lordship, no any file appeal, Lordship, I am stated in para 14.
In para 14, you are not stated that he has submitted representation and it was not received by the office. How many times you want us to?
The Lordship, I have stated in para 14 after direction of the filing of the appeal with the all enclosures, Lordship, that has been not been filed
Sir,
by the
you
petitioner.
please show me one sentence from your counter affidavit that so and so office is not in receipt of representation. In the instant petition, petitioner has prayed for the following relief. Full stop. In support of the aforesaid relief, the petitioner is stated to have submitted representation on 20th December 2012 as is evident from the pleadings. Full stop. However, the same has not been countered by the respondents in their counter affidavit filed in the year 2014. Full stop. Assuming that they are not in receipt of the
Sir, the 2012
receipt of their representation,
ये ना
assuming that they are not in receipt of representation, due to passage of time, the respondent consolidation officer,
Sir, can I say
director
something?
of consolidation is hereby directed to
Can I say something, sir, of this?
is hereby directed to pass a speaking order and place it on record before the next date of hearing, release this matter after 3 weeks. He is hereby directed to consider in his speaking order each and every contention stated by the petitioner in the present case.
Can I say something on this, sir? So
Do
the para-
whatever you want. You pass a speaking order.
So para 14 says that it was submitted to Deputy Director of Consolidation, Saharsa, as an RTI application.
Sir, where is the
Para
specific averment? The petitioner has stated that he has submitted several representation. One of the representations
So it
is
was-
20th December 2012. This, your office is not in receipt of so and so representation.
So
Show
this
me
is-
one sentence from
this
your
is-
counter affidavit.
So this was basically for RTI application, not as an appeal or any representation before the Principal Secretary of the Department.
Sir, in the present petition, his pleading is that he has submitted representation on 20th December 2012. Assuming that he has misled this court, is it not your duty to counter in the counter affidavit stating that so and so representation is not forthcoming? How many times you want me to repeat?
Sorry, sir.
List this matter after 3 weeks. You have to consider each and every point.
How many time your lordship given?
3 weeks.
Lordship.
Personal appearance of director so and so stands dispensed in the event of compliance of the aforesaid order.